Thank you all for joining us. For those that don't know me, I'm Aaron Marsh, National Product and Solution Manager for Komatsu Australia. I'm really excited to be here today to kick off the Komatsu Smart Construction webinar series. I'm going to turn off my screen for the presentation and we'll turn it back on for the Q&A. My passion for the industry really lies in helping our customers be more competitive through utilising the latest technologies, which is the fundamental reason for this series. To help all of our customers and industry at large understand smart construction, which is the next generation of construction project and management solutions. We're going to look at how it's going and how we are ultimately future-proof our businesses. Over the next year, you will hear from a range of speakers and smart construction experts covering topics from intelligent machines to advanced applications, and we'll hear from our customers themselves on their smart construction journey so far. So let's talk about smart construction. We all agree in business we want more bang for our buck. Tools and solutions allowing for real-time decisions to be made with real-time data and information available at your fingertips that drives real value to your businesses. This is smart construction. Over the next 20 minutes, we're going to touch on the benefits, some of the current challenges that are facing the industry. I'm going to share some case studies on how we work with our customers, implementing smart construction solutions to their project, and what's on the horizon for smart construction. And of course, I'll take Q&A at the end. We all know that we're looking for the competitive edge. Winning work is just the beginning. Once the work is won, this is where the real challenge begins. Being productive, effective utilisation of our tools, resources and solutions, and improving safety standards, creating best practices. Effectively managing assets and resources, that includes our people, and also managing the very real skilled labour shortage that is affecting us all across a wide range of roles, from operators, engineers, through to executives. Connecting machines, people and applications agnostically across multiple industry disciplines and all makes technologies, and reducing our carbon footprint. These are all key to driving our profitability and achieving our long-term sustainability goals. I think we all agree that we're all wearing multiple hats on every project and within our own businesses. This is where smart construction comes in, and the benefits make it crucial for us to be successful in today's market. When we are talking about adopting smart construction, I think it's important to acknowledge the landscape, and one of these challenges is the skilled labour shortage and the availability of skilled workers. Construction job vacancies have increased by 80% since 2019. And by next year, there will be more than 100,000 unfilled roles. And what's most alarming about all of that is there won't be enough qualified people to fulfill those roles. Komatsu Smart Construction is helping address the shortages. Our team of industry experts and consultants covering Australia and New Zealand are here on the journey with you. Komatsu Smart Construction provides skilled technology consultants, mobile smart plant, applications and solutions that allow your business to do more with less. With automation in machines and software solutions, paperless connected workflows and technologies all put to use, smart construction is making the impossible possible, leveling the playing field in many sectors of the industry and your projects. This availability of skilled smart construction technology advisors, coupled with advanced hardware and software, Komatsu and our customers using smart construction have seen real value creation at the job site, in the office, and improving their competitiveness and profitability for current and future tenders. Komatsu Smart Construction is actively addressing the skilled labour shortage through automation, integrated technologies, delivering you faster, actionable information, making usable data available at your fingertips, driving valuable insights to your business that allow for you to make changes immediately. With focus on reducing capacity costs, reducing operational costs, improve sustainability on your journey to net zero, change management within your business to allow technology adoption, and reducing the requirement for redo work on your projects, ultimately making you more competitive and profitable. In 2019 through to 2021, Komatsu Smart Construction collaborated with a major engineering company and contractors in a tender for a $48 million distribution centre in Queensland. During this early project engagement, Smart Construction introduced the project owner and contractor to Komatsu Semi-Autonomous Intelligent Machine Control, known to us as IMC. From the very beginning, IMC machines made an impact to the project, with the contractor stating that IMC made a productivity improvement of 50% over their standard machines already equipped with their aftermarket machine control solutions. Automation was used to improve efficiencies and eliminate redo work. A reduction in fuel and CO2 was achieved through reduction in fuel burn, improved operation and work practices, contributing to their overall sustainability reduction goals. In parallel, our skilled smart construction technology advisors provided our everyday drone services with quick UAV survey of the site coupled with Komatsu's industry-leading on-site drone processing solution. When compared to the customer's existing aerial survey and processing solution, the customer site survey workflow and processing time was improved by 96%, providing valuable data immediately back to the project management team to execute changes in almost real time. Smart Construction Dashboard was introduced as the project visualization solution to manage materials moved and progress of earthworks. This allowed for transparent collaboration of all stakeholders in the project, including the site managers, project owners, surveyors, and the engineers. This also allowed for the project team to validate regularly the progress against the plan versus actual, which ultimately gave them ability to track progress and ensure the project stayed on time and budget. If any part of the project was falling behind or variations needed to be made, they could act immediately with insights from in-field data delivered from Komatsu Smart Construction tools, solutions, and applications utilised on the project. This information was transparent to all project stakeholders, accurate, and on time. On the very first flight, the project team utilising Smart Construction Dashboard immediately identified a critical volume difference in the material to be excavated, which was incorrect by an additional 6,000 metres cubed of material. This survey and comparison was compared to the engineering drawings, not taking into account the material behind the cantilever slabs for the retaining walls. A variation was immediately submitted by the contractor to the engineering project owner. As stated before, a 96% improvement was achieved here through Smart Construction, aerial survey and on-site processing compared with the contractor's current workflow with Pix4D. 6,000 metres cubed needed to be removed from site. That's 222 truck and trailers not accounted for in bidding and the tender stage. The customer and engineering group used Smart Construction methods, tools and solutions and consultants to enhance the project deliveries while reducing costs and identifying oversights for the duration of the project. With Komatsu Smart Construction, one of the key metrics is what we call I-value. I-value is a method that is unique to Komatsu and our intelligent fleet of semi-autonomous machines. This is the value that is measured on how often the customer using these tools actually utilises the technology. For example, how often the intelligent in-cab screen is utilised and turned on, how often the machine guidance is utilised, and most importantly, how often the auto is engaged and actually being used on the project. Collection of as constructed information direct from the machines is recorded and seamlessly visualized in the smart construction dashboards, tracking progress of material moved and productivity from the machines themselves. This provides our customers with a real snapshot of intelligent value and ensures that the utilization of not just the machines is being used, but the technology is being adopted at the job site. You can see by the graphs above, the intelligent semi-autonomous operation was used throughout the earthworks, providing the reduction in costs, redo work, and completing the task first time with high accuracy and quicker than the conventional aftermarket systems. On this project, the I value on the dozer was 76%, and on excavators was 45%. This is actually what we use to consider what we would consider the benchmark of effective utilization of the technology. Site adoption was high because the operators on site could see the value and the project managers could see the results. As a testament to this project success, right now the contractors and project engineering firm both continue to add IMC and smart construction solutions to their fleet and projects. Another customer journey started with us, with a customer utilizing smart construction solutions for a high-profile civil project. This journey started in mid-2020 at one site. Later that same year, they extended their suite of products by adding the smart construction dashboard, enabling them to visualize their project progress. Some pain points identified for this customer were not being able to visualize where they were day to day, tracking progress and material movements, being able to show the project owners their up-to-date deliverables and progress without days of reporting and data gathering, ensuring the latest design files were remotely capable of being sent when updates were available, having available daily information and data to make decisions on where they wanted to be tomorrow, and combining 3D design with aerial mapping, including as constructed data direct from their Komatsu intelligent machines. This allowed the survey team and project engineers to confirm quantities and progress each day without leaving the office. Having a digital record of historical project progress in one user interface. In 2021, this civil contractor purchased their own everyday drone solution to include a subscription to Smart Construction Dashboard and introduced this to 9 of their sites. In 2022, they have extended to using the suite of Smart Construction solutions to 15 sites and have recently increased their aerial survey and processing capability. The pain points from earlier in their smart construction journey are now a thing of the past. It's obvious by this customer's continued growth and utilization of smart construction solutions, they are seeing improvements. And later in this webinar series, we'll hear more about Everyday Drone and Smart Construction Dashboard solution from our Komatsu team. Throughout the project phases, our team of smart construction consultants engaged in the project collaboration, working in parallel with the project team, conducting toolboxes with project stakeholders, ensuring the customer was successful, delivering and hitting their project milestones. Smart construction solutions here in the images on the slides are showing in the yellow layer on the dashboard images are intelligent machines as constructed, as built, reporting directly to the Smart Construction Dashboard. This allowed for the reduction in survey costs and resources, and there was no need to measure with a surveyor in areas where the intelligent machines have been working. The machine and stakeholders know exactly where their machines are operating, what material they are moving, and how much material has been moved where. Other reporting that was useful for the project team were the Komatsu machine's CO2 emission reports, reporting on the production and carbon footprint for each machine. One of these success factors here for Komatsu and our customer is the extension and the adoption across multiple projects now, where they are finding creation of real value through smart construction solutions, tools, and applications. In summary, imagine digital transformation of the job site. Komatsu Australia Smart Construction Division has a vision to make this transformation more efficient and more profitable. Smart construction isn't just excavators and dozers. It includes planning, reporting, logistics, and much more. So we have found it was important to support our customers through the whole process, from bidding to the final handoff and reporting. Construction has evolved over the years. Smart construction is here to offer interconnectivity and streamline the construction process. Komatsu Smart Construction offers a suite of products, services, consultants, and digital solutions. We are partnering with leading companies to provide next generation technologies to develop the job site of the future now. Through technology and smart construction solutions, we are creating new ways to enhance value at your job site. Our smart construction technology consultants and technology advisors are ready to work together, creating new value, connecting your job site. Connect your job site, your machines, your people for a safer, more productive job site. Let's build and create value together. As we stated earlier, our smart construction team will be conducting webinars over the coming months and will go through specific Komatsu offerings, including intelligent machines and our Komatsu retrofit 3D machine guidance and payload solutions, smart construction solutions, both hardware and software packages, smart construction applications and support, our Komatsu fleet management solutions for quarry and construction, and our smart construction consultants and our service offerings. Next up in August will be the Integrated Machine Control IMC 2.0, covering where does the value start and end. This will be presented by Matt Fleming, our Komatsu Queensland Technology Advisor. The webinar will be scheduled on the 11th of August at 11 a.m. Australian time and 1 p.m. New Zealand time. So look out for the webinar registration on our Komatsu website and social media posts. Thanks for your time today, and we'll get in some questions from the audience.
Thanks, Aaron. So as we said, we're going to move to the Q&A session now. We'll be answering some that have been posted today. As a reminder, you can still submit your questions in the questions panel. So our first question here, Aaron, is how long has smart construction been around? Is it just here in Oceania, or is this a global solution?
Thanks, Anna. For Komatsu Smart Construction, this is a global strategy providing, I guess, on and off machine solutions. And this is the direction we've taken. Komatsu have been a leading machine manufacturer for over 100 years. And the next 100 years combines industry-leading machine technology, I guess, with project and site solutions to create value together with our customers.
Awesome. So we got another question here. What does a future development path look like for smart construction?
Yeah, okay, thanks, Anna, for that question. We've released around 5 applications this year and solutions. And in the coming sort of 12 to 18 months, you'll see a lot more from Komatsu and our smart construction team here in Australia and New Zealand.
Okay, cool. We've got another one here. When you say that the Komatsu machines are semi-autonomous, what does that mean exactly?
So I guess our intelligent fleet of machines have semi-autonomous control, and that enables the machines on dozers and excavators right now to cut to grade, I guess, whether they're in bulk application or cutting or filling to an actual grade design. It also helps our operators of many operating experiences, I guess, to maximize efficiencies and productivity gains. For example, like an experienced operator have been moving dirt for a long time, so they know how to do that. But with automation, it allows for more productivity. And if we can enhance the experienced operators' percentage of productivity improvements by maybe 15 to 30%, that is huge on what they're doing already. And for the more, I guess, less experienced operators, they haven't been moving dirt so long, sometimes not at all. what the automation allows for is for them to be able to dig to grade, for example, in a 3D design, and be able to do it right first time. And over the journey, they'll improve their operational efficiency as well.
Okay, perfect. So we've got another one here. Great presentation. What range of CO2 reduction are you seeing typically through these smart construction solutions?
Yeah, look, the CO2 reductions and the reporting that we've seen is quite varied across different applications and sites. It's hard to put a percentage on it because it really does depend on how the machines and operators and projects are using the machines. But significant reductions in fuel, equal improvements in CO2 and carbon footprint. So we sort of tackle it, case by case and project by project.
Okay, cool. Another one is a lot of our customers have mixed fleet. Are you saying that smart construction solutions can work across this mixed fleet, not just Komatsu machines?
Yes, of course. So the greater majority of the smart construction solutions have been developed, I guess, to work holistically on site with multiple other machines and OEM solutions. I guess for industry, there's a long way to go to fully understand, fully standardized designs and formats, files, to allow for the digital twin pathway for construction. And here in Australia and New Zealand, we understand that the agnostic approach is the only way to a true construction digital connected site, where there are multiple contractors working with many other OEM products and solutions. And at the end of the day, Komatsu will work closely with our customers and partners to achieve this in the future.
Okay, cool. We have another question here. It's a bit of a long one. So, firstly, very impressive use of technology and features in Komatsu offering. How construction companies can fully benefit from Komatsu smart solutions, given that majority of equipment is rented and vendor mixed, not 100% Komatsu. Also, there are external softwares, tools, and sensors which need to be integrated to have full supervision and collaboration of a project.
Yeah, sure. So I guess it's a complex question because there's many solutions out there, multiple OEMs, multiple contractors on a site, and really that's where our technology consultants and advisors come in to collaborate with the projects and the teams to actually understand, what they're trying to achieve on the project and what those pain points are, and then we'll work with the team and the project to understand what needs to be connected, how we connect it, and then if we can't, a pathway to achieving those results.
Okay, cool. We've got another one here. As a TAFE lecturer, I would really like to get on board with more tanning in the space with Komatsu. Would this be possible?
Yeah, 100%. We're always supporting these type of events, and happy to be engaged in industry as much as possible. So yeah, please reach out and we'll do our best to support.
Okay, another question here. A machine goes a machine goes down or is it not graded right? How are you responding in terms of technology specialist? Is this special stuff to support? Thanks and great presentation.
Can you just repeat the question again? Sorry, Anna. I just
Yeah,
want to...
no worries. So a machine goes down or is not grading right. How are you responding in terms of technology specialists?
Okay, so we have and there'll be a webinar series on the Komatsu Smart Construction Support and our technology advisors. Most of the time with our machines and our solutions, we have remote capability and we handle a lot of that stuff on site remotely, including machines and downtime through sensors and our contracts, telematic devices. But we also have in-field technology specialists that actually help and deliver and support these type of activities. So if machines are down or not grading right, we'll get to the bottom of that and then we'll support the customer to get the best result.
Okay, cool. Another one is here. In terms of communications between machines and systems, can this connect and communicate to other OEM-based correction services?
Yeah, of course, Anna. So for the past sort of 6 years, Komatsu have been connecting to multiple base correction sources in industry, and smart construction solutions are developed on industry standards. I guess these systems are set up to connect through open formats, and some of those formats are proprietary. We don't have access to all of those, as you can appreciate. But I guess because we don't have access to all those proprietary formats, if we as the industry are to move to the fully connected site and digital twin framework, it's important for industry to adopt more industry standards across the civil construction projects for this to be a reality.
Okay, cool. We've got another one here. How do the systems and machines and technology work in remote outback locations where internet networks may be limited or non-existent?
Yeah, so the connectivity is obviously really important, and get the true value out of some of the smart construction solutions. We need connectivity. We've worked with our partners and strategic telco providers to extend networks on some sites as well. And there are some opportunities for non-connected site solutions to work, i.e. the drone and edge processing doesn't require any uploading. That's completely can operate in a non-connected environment, and some of our machine control solutions do as well.
Okay, cool. Another one here is if I have a machine down with IMC, do I call Komatsu or will it be handballed around to another support provider?
So from a Komatsu smart construction point of view, we handle our support internally through our smart construction support network. It's
Okay.
handballed to anyone. If it's an issue with our machines or our solutions or products, we'll handle that directly.
Okay. One other question here. Is the dashboard developed by Komatsu Japan or is it another external company?
The dashboard is all of our suite of solutions are developed internally with with Komatsu Japan, but obviously we have strategic partners in development for user interfaces and development on these sort of solutions. So.
Awesome. So that concludes our questions in our webinar today. So thank you everyone for attending. An email will come out in the next 24 hours where you're able to access this recording. We'll also send a survey with the presentation shortly and appreciate your feedback. Thank you everyone for joining and we really hope you have a great day.
Thanks, Anna, and thanks for everyone joining.